Good morning, vlogmas. Happy day 5. So today is Monday and I want to be as productive as possible because I just feel like I've been having these lazy rainy days, and that's fine, but I just want to get back into the groove of things. So I'm just going to be doing some cleaning and then doing some emails, working out, just getting organized, getting my life together. So let's start our day. All right, I'm gonna start a load of laundry for the day. Hello guys, so now I'm just gonna do my skincare routine. I haven't even ate breakfast yet, so I'm gonna go eat breakfast and then get around, hopefully, to my emails. So time lapse starts now. All right, next I'm taking the brightening toner from Andalou. This one is literally my favorite. And when I'm lazy, I just like to spray it everywhere and not use a cotton round or cotton ball because it just goes faster when you spray it. And then I'm gonna take this Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream. This is really nice for the daytime because it's like lightweight. And then I'm just gonna add a drop or two of my rosehip oil. And I swear to you guys, it is the best for wintertime when your skin gets really dry. And I've learned that if you massage your products into your skin, it just seeps in better and it feels really nice too. So highly recommend spending a little extra time on yourself in the morning or whenever you do your skincare routine. And do not forget your neck. That is so important. And then for my hair, I'm just gonna brush it out and use this Unite 7 Seconds Detangler. This stuff is literally my holy grail and I use it literally every day. Okay, for lunch, I am just making this like tuna salad. I've never made it before, so I don't even know if you're supposed to have carrots, but we're gonna try new things today. Okay, so I added some mustard, pepper, salt, mayonnaise, carrots, and celery. Okay, so this is the lunch I made today. I didn't really have a game plan when it came to like how I'm supposed to eat it, because usually you eat it in like lettuce wraps or like with crackers. So thank goodness I had these ones. So I'm just gonna make little cracker bites for my lunch today. I think she came out good. I'm also gonna add some pickles for crunch, and then I found this relish, so oops, it's not focused, but I'm gonna add some sweet relish too to give it, I don't know, some more flavor. There we go. Just adding a little bit of relish. All right, moment of truth. We're gonna do a little taste test. I like breaking the cracker in half because I feel like it's less likely going to break. Cheers. It's definitely crunchy with the carrots. It's a chicken salad. Also, you know you're too lazy to do the dishes when you do stuff like this. This setup is hilarious, but I also made top ramen because I just felt like the crackers weren't gonna do it, you know what I mean? So I just made some ramen in a pan, which actually fits 2 cups of water, by the way. So if you guys don't have like a bowl at hand, definitely use like one of these saucepans. But yeah, bon appetit. You guys, I really need to stop making eggnog lattes because I literally can't stop drinking them. They're so good. Okay, finally I am at my desk, ready to work. So I'm about to do some emails, both inbound and outbound emails, and then I'm going to edit. I feel pretty productive. I also have this like big guilt on my shoulders, big weight on my shoulders because I wasn't productive enough today. But at the same time, I feel good for doing the things that I did because I know that I would just crawl out of bed and just come straight here. So doing all those other things first actually helps me feel productive throughout my days, and I feel like that's important. I was just thinking to myself how like there are so many forms of productivity. You literally can run a million errands in one day and feel productive, or you can have just 15 minutes of focus and that's enough for you. So I feel like productivity comes in like different forms, and so whatever works best for you, I say stick with it, because it's not like one shoe fits all type of thing. Like if you have that 15 minutes of productivity, literally own it and let that make you feel good for the day, but don't compare yourself to anyone else. So that's my tip. Okay, back to editing. Today I learned a new word called SaaS, S-A-A-S. It stands for Software as a Service, a software licensing and delivery model. Okay. Love learning new things. I'm not sure how this applies to content creation, but you'll love it.